seen in the previous video, we safely extinguish a campfire by making sure everything is burned down. We then spread out the materials to help it cool down. We then pour some water and disturb it some more. When the fire is put out, we remove any evidence of a temporary fire by scattering the cool ash throughout the woodland. This serves as nutrients to the plants. We then ensure that we leave no trace of fire by covering it with mulch, which we removed when clearing it.